Hey friends, I'm going to show you why you don't have to throw out your old wigs because you can revive them right at home. The wig you're looking at is about 4 years old. The last time I wore it though was about a year ago. And honestly, same as when I take it off of my head, as same when I put it down and I just take it up back. So right now she's giving dry, she's giving crusty, she's giving stiff, she's pretty much giving dead. But we're gonna bring her back to life. Come with me. Here are the products that you'll need: a moisture-rich shampoo and conditioner, silicone mix, nutritive treatment, Auntie Jackie's curling custard, and any type of rejuvenating oil that can be used on actual natural or real hair. You're also going to need a Ziploc bag or scandal bag, and you'll be needing a microwave. The first thing we're gonna do is get our wig completely wet. Give her a thorough shampoo. Make sure you squeeze out all that dirt, all that oil, all that dust, whatever is in the wig since you've had it put down. Don't forget to comb through the wig also. We're also gonna give the lace a good clean with a toothbrush and just the shampoo. We're gonna also ensure that we check the lace, ensure it's nice and clean and proper and there's no buildup on it. So after shampooing just once, give her a thorough rinse, and now we're about to give her a conditioner. So apply your conditioner thoroughly. Don't be light-handed. I tend to use a lot because I want the moisture to go back into the hair. Massage the conditioner in it. Treat it like how you treat your own natural hair. So you know, when you go to the hairdresser, them rub up the conditioner up in your hair same way. Give her a proper comb through. Look how she's looking good already. Watch comb and go through ear. Look how ear look nice and supple. No man, talk to it. We're not going good. Now that we've done that, let's go ahead and apply our treatment. And this is where you're allowed to also be heavy-handed again. We need as much as possible up and through the girl ear. Rub it in, massage it in. Yeah man, get it all up in the creases and give it another comb through once more. Now go ahead and apply your rejuvenating oil. You don't want a lot, you just want a little bit. And when you're done doing that, place it in a scandal bag, a Ziploc bag. Make sure it's plastic, seal it up, and let's go to the microwave. Place the bag into the microwave just for 2 minutes. Be careful when removing and go back to the bathroom and let's finish our process. Now go ahead and give your wig a proper and thorough rinse. Ensure that all the product is out of it completely. Squeeze her dry as you possibly can, and go ahead and add just a little bit of the curling custard to the wig and leave her out to dry. Don't forget to join me in part 2 where we'll do an install using this very same wig. I know you found this helpful, so make sure you give me a double tap and don't forget to save this video. How else are you gonna remember what to do?